Alright, so today I'm doing a butterfly knife review. Just open this up here. This is the case that it comes in, and here is the knife. As you can see, it is green and black. And with this, you just flip that down. And then it opens up. And then also, here at the bottom, you have to press them together like this. And then, if I can do it, see, as you can see, it flips over and it keeps it so it will not come apart. Very easily, you can pull it out and then flip it back, and you just flip the little thing over. So yes, this is the butterfly knife. I did buy it on Blade Play. I will link it in the description. And also in the description will be more links to my social media and my Twitch. And yes, links will be in the description, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.